With the football season over, students won't be hearing the marching band perform anytime soon. That's why the Sound of USD put on their annual year-end spectacular in Alps Auditorium. The performance allowed fans to hear the band one last time. Drum majors Devin Patrick, Kylie Coyne, and Nicole Chapala led the 151-member band. They performed music from their pregame and halftime shows, and select tunes from the previous marching season. Jonathan Alvis, the director of athletic bands, also honored outgoing seniors at the performance. The marching band doesn't perform at basketball games, but there is a smaller pep band at most home games.